So this outside draw cord right here, you're gonna take it and tuck it into this section right here, okay? So I'm leaning on the seat right here, kind of pushing this open right here. And just right as the original leather ends, that seems to be the best spot for me to drop this down right here. And then it's gonna drop down to the bottom like this. It's gonna pull through like that, okay? And then you can finish tucking this in right there. But now we have the draw cord on the inside for a flush, finished look right there. And then we're gonna take this on the outside, go tie this to the other draw cord around like that. So that's how you do that cord right there. Now this elastic, this is actually going to tuck in and drop down, and we're gonna grab it. And one thing you can do is you can take a piece of duct tape, tape it to this this install tool, this little plastic knife type tool, and you can push that through right here. That's what I did on the other side. Push it down and kind of find the spots where it pushes down. It seems to be, it took me a second last time to kind of figure out where was the best spot to push this down. There's kind of a gap here. Oh, there we go. There it is right there. Okay, so we're gonna push it down, push that elastic through right here, and then go underneath and grab it. So I can already feel where this is gonna push through down right here. There we go, there's the draw tool. So it's gonna pass through right through that line. So it's about lined up right there. So you can either try just pushing that elastic through or tape it to this and then push it through and then take the tape off, and we'll have that elastic to tie up underneath as well.